an icon that says Start Your School or Career Portfolio. It's a little orange circle with, it looks like a little bee or something inside of it. You click there, and it takes you into a Pathbrite user portfolio option. And if you want to create your portfolio, you just click here, and it will take you out into an area. It says, what would you like to do? I would like to create a new portfolio, build your own portfolio. You probably will be able to get into it without anything, but you may have to enter your email address. I do not think you have to have a portfolio user code, but you need to let me know. So when I click on this little window, it says the title, and I just put Paula's Portfolio. What does it mean to you? I just clicked in there. This is a portfolio. This is my career portfolio. Then click on Next, and it takes you into an area where you can add your picture. You can add, there's project case study here. You can view a lot of video examples that you can view on how the project actually works. So I want you to go in and tool around with this. See if you can get in. First of all, please let me know. Email me and let me know if you're able to get into the Portfolio Builder and if it's working properly for you. So let's give it a try, tool around with it for right now. It begins, usually the portfolio assignments in BAS 270 begin Chapter 2, but in BAS 260 it begins with Chapter 9.